Alright everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the Parrot Anafi or Anafi or one or the other. Right here. Here it is. You know, I picked this up yesterday up at Best Buy. And I will tell you the box is very heavy. I was very surprised when I picked the box up. I was like, wow. That thing's pretty dang heavy. Anyway, this is a stone cold unboxing. I haven't even opened it yet, even though I bought it 12 hours ago. So, it's just been sitting over there. Because it was just too damn hot. I mean, yesterday it was just so miserably hot. It's been 90s here. In Pittsburgh, we don't usually get this kind of hot weather for these extended periods of time. A lot of times we'll only go the whole summer and get 2-3 days in the 90s, where it'll get 91 or whatever. Most of the time here in the summer it's in the 82 range, but whew, this 90 every day has been brutal for me, because you can't stand out in those parks in the middle of the afternoon and shoot videos. That's not happening, okay? When I did those last 2 videos I posted with the Mavic Pro and that little JD20, that was at 6:30 in the morning, okay, on Sunday. All right. There's the box. It's a box. Okay. They give you some spare props. That's not real exciting, right? Okay. I didn't think it was. Here's the transmitter, which Wayne said was heavy, and it is. It's heavy. This sucker is heavy. And when you open it up, it turns on, which is a pretty cool little feature. I think that's pretty slick. It looks like a USB-C charging port there. I guess everybody's going to that now, the USB-C. Here's the zoom for the camera, which I think is a very cool feature on this thing. Is one of the reasons I got it. Well, the main reason I got it was the upside down, the 180 degree. As soon as I seen that in the promotional video, I knew I was going to get this thing, because I think that is so cool. But and then there's the zoom feature right there. You just go up for minus and forward for plus, and then there's the tilt the camera. The buttons feel very nice, and the sticks feel good too. I mean, it's the build quality on this thing, I mean, you could just tell by touching it. It's just one of them things, you can tell by touching it that it's nice, okay? But it's heavy, it's very heavy. Let me I'll weigh it up. 396 grams for the transmitter, and that's without the phone on it. So my phone, which is right here, that weighs 222, so you're looking at 500 and something grams of weight, that's more than the Phantom 3 controller, I believe. Then here's the case. This case is slick too, very nice, feels real good. And then the documentation, the quick start guide and everything. Now I looked on the App Store and I didn't see a new app for this, so I'm assuming that you use the same one you used with the Bebop 2, the Free Flight Pro. So that's what I'm going to assume, but I'll look in there and see what that says. Maybe there's some QR code or something in there. Very nice, very nice. Feels a little plasticky. That's probably because it's plastic. So that gives it that plasticky feel. And the motors are definitely smaller than the Bebop 2 motors, because that has some beefy motors on that thing. It folds out real easy. It's not like the Mavic and the Mavic Air, or the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Air, where you got to bend the thing, and I kind of think that's a pain, especially with the Mavic. I think actually both of them are a pain. You have to always remember which one you have to open first. This is as simple as can be. Here, there's the battery. There's the on and off switch right there. It's pretty small. Fold it up. It's pretty light too. Let's weigh it up with the battery in it. 316 grams. I think that's under the limit, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, looks good. And then inside here you get the USB-C cable, SanDisk, card. No, they don't give you a card. They just give you a reader. So, but I have a new card for it. I didn't buy it yesterday, but I have another one over there. I could probably take the one out of the Up Air 1 because I never fly that thing. So I could probably just take the one out of there. But yeah, real nice. It looks like it has the same position hold sensors on there as their other ones. It looks like the exact same one. But anyway, fold it up. You see, here's the Mavic Pro. Fold it up. Mavic Pro is way beefier than this thing. This thing's pretty light, actually. And then the Mavic Air is here. The Mavic Air weighs 431. So that weighs more than this. Anyway, so let me get it charged up and get it outside. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the video out today because it's going to start getting hot. It's 7:30 on 4th of July right now, but by the time I would get this charged up and glance over through the manual, it would be 150 degrees out and I would boil. And you know, those parks I go to, there is no shade at any of them. I mean, there's millions of trees that get in the way, but there's none you can stand under, okay? That's the problem. There's not like one tree that you know you can stand under and get some shade while you're shooting while the quadcopter's out there flying, So, Cuppy, he has that one tree that sits in the middle of the lot. He has that nice spot where he flies, and he's got that one tree sitting there, so he could actually stand under there and get some shade while he was shooting a video. But the parks I go to, there is no lone tree out in the middle of the thing because they're mostly ball fields, so they've been all cleared. So, oh well, that's life. All right, guys, I will get this charged up and I'll try to get out. Maybe I'll go out tonight at around 7:30 or something when the sun starts setting. Maybe I can get some shots. The props on here, it has one of those star bits that to take the prop off. It's extremely hard to see it. I mean, the screw head is microscopic, but I'll try to get it in there for you to see. Got a little star bit right there. But other than that, looks good. I think it'll be cool. There's the battery release. You just slide the battery on there and push it in. It snaps right in. And then to get it out, you just push the button and slide it out. 2700, 7.6 volt. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. There's the SD card, the micro SD card. It is in there. It's in the. There's a little slot right there. Huh? It's like a phone. It's like a SIM card slot for your phone. That's where the micro SD card is. So they do give you one. I don't know what size it is. 16 gig, I think. I think that's what I read. I think I read it was a 16 gig card. I don't even know how to get it out of there, but I'm not worried about it right now. All right, guys. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later once I get this charged up and get it out there flying around. See what it'll do. Have a nice day.